So the chickens had been getting into the garden and scratching around in the dirt and taking dirt baths. So I finally finished putting the fencing up around, but I mean it's done good to keep the chickies out. But every time I come over here, look at them. They go right to the gate. They know that I'm going to go in there. They come over here. They come walking from way over you know where. And of course they like the water. But anyway, look at that. I think one of them likes coffee grounds. One of my compost things fell down in there and they're coming around to get it. And I think that's the real reason they're over here. But they're also up underneath there too. That's their little cool shady spot during the summer days. But I was bringing compost stuff out and I had set it up here, right, and then I was gonna climb over the fence and get it, but I ended up dropping it. And anyway, this fence isn't really on here just right, so I gotta finish attaching it. And I went and I bought me some of this wire stuff here. This is it's a galvanized steel wire. Oh, can you see it? There it is. Sorry. It's a galvanized steel wire, but it's not real thick wire, but it's strong enough. It's 25-pound wire. It's just one big strand, so I needed to get my little cutters, and that part right there is a cutter on that. Or actually this part up here, sorry. Sometimes you can cut things here, but cutter's right there. Let's see my little cutter Dewey. Cutter Dewey. Okay. But anyway, chickens are always up around my feet, always messing with me. But I need to fix this gate so that I can go in and out of the garden. I mean, I need to fix the fence onto the gate so I can open and shut the gate without the freaking chickens following me in there. And they work really, really hard to try to figure out how to get back in there. Because they love their dirt baths. They love the garden for some stupid reason. I guess the garden dirt's just much more appealing to them than regular dirt. But I tell them all the time, go get yourself some regular dirt, leave my dirt alone. Okay? Come on, shoo. Shoo, Greenfoot, shoo. So anyway, in order for me to get back in here, I got a mess of cardboard. I know I was going to lay some of that down and some new garden spots. But I just got to get busy and get this done so that I can open and shut that fence. And that's what I'm working on today. And of course the chickies are always trying to find something, find a way in. One of these days they're going to figure it out. They'll all be in there again. And I'll just have to come up with another way to keep them out. But for now, that's what I'm doing. I think I'm going to climb the fence and work from the other side. So, yeah, it's kind of hard to deal with it from this. What are you doing, chickens? One of you found a munchie, found something to eat on, and the other one tried to take it away. Chickens are food motivated. Absolutely food motivated. Alright, let me get busy on this fence. So I'm going to do a follow-up video later on my garden and on the fence and the chickens, of course. And, just kind of, I just figured I'd just tell you a little bit about what I'm working on right now. I've got other things I need to do too that I'm certainly going to make videos of those as well. So, wish me luck on my fence, and wish me luck on keeping the chickens out of my garden, because they really love my garden, as do the duckies. Oh well. Alright, see you next time.